Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to create a system restore point in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Creating a system restore point in Windows 11 is a great way to safeguard your computer's system files and settings. This guide will walk you through the steps to create one. System Restore is a tool that allows you to revert your computer's state to a previous point in time, effectively rolling back system files, installed applications, Windows Registry, and system settings to a previous state. You can use System Restore to undo system changes without affecting your personal files, like documents or photos. To create a system restore point in Windows, press the Windows key +S to open the search bar. Type Create a Restore Point, and select the matching search result. Under the Protection settings, check the available drives, usually the C drive, and its protection status, on or off. If it's off, our video on how to enable or disable system protection in Windows might help you. The link is in the description below. Create the restore point. In the System Properties window, click Create. Enter a name or description for the restore point, and click Create again to confirm. Windows will now create the restore point. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message. And that's it. You've successfully created a system restore point. Having these restore points can give you peace of mind, knowing that you can revert your system to a previous state if needed. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.